First, let's provide the controller with power. Live and neutral AC 220 volts in the bottom right two terminals. Make sure the wires are disconnected from any power source for safety. Insert the wires into the terminals and tighten the screws. Plug the other wires into the power to power up the controller. Press the A button for 10 seconds to reset the controller. When the controller starts blinking red, it means it is in pairing mode. Make sure to install Smart Life application and create a new account. Open Smart Life application. Press on plus sign in the top right corner and choose Add Device. If your Bluetooth is turned on, you should find the device under Discovering Devices section. Press Add and insert your Wi-Fi network password and press Next. Note, if the application didn't discover the device for some reason, choose Wi-Fi plug and continue with same steps. When state light stops blinking, it means the device is connected. You can press on the pen icon to change the device name and room. Press Done to finish the setup. This is the device main page. Now let's connect the 6 sensor wires. Top right terminal is 0% empty tank, and the last one on the left is 100% full tank. The longest wire is for 0% and gradually shortens till we get to the shortest wire, which is 100%. First wire is the longest for 0%, should be at the bottom of the tank. Second wire, red for 20%. Third, yellow wire, 40%. Fourth, white wire, 60%. Fifth, green wire, 80%. Sixth, blue wire, 100%. Now I will test the visual indicator by dipping the sensors one by one in water. I will also test the level on the app. Set up the sensors on the required lengths based on the tank level and size. and simply drop them and they will sync. You can hold the wires with a zip tie. And the rest is up to you. Thank you for watching this installation instruction video.
More detailed videos about TAPIU Flow 1 will be available in this playlist.